Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to share with you how you can be able to identify original raw donor hairs. Now this is the highest quality of human hairs. If you are looking at getting very good quality human hairs, this is the highest quality. Raw donor hairs don't shed, raw donor hairs don't tangle, raw donor hairs last you a lifetime, and they come in different categories. This is the bouncy one. It comes in bone straight, also it comes in straight, it comes in kinky, it comes in pixie curls, it comes in coily, and a lot of them, right? There are different categories of raw donor hairs, but the real reason for buying raw donor hairs is the quality. The quality is everything when it comes to raw donor hairs, and that is because it lasts a lifetime. Now when it comes to donor hairs, you can have single donor and multiple donors, right? When it comes to single donor, it is gotten from just one person's head. A bundle, a 100-gram bundle, is gotten from just one person's head. When it comes to multiple donors, it is gotten from a lot of persons put together. Hair gotten from a lot of persons put together to form a 100-gram. Now when these hairs are gotten, it is the best strands that are used to create raw donor hairs, and that is the more reason why it is super expensive. Raw donor hairs also come in different categories, right? It can come in straight, it can come in bouncy. This is bouncy. I'm also going to share with you the quality and why you should go for raw donor. It also comes in kinky, coily, wavy, and all of those stuff. Right now this is a 10 inches, this is 10 inches, this is 12 inches of the bouncy raw donor bouncy. This is a single donor raw donor bouncy. This is single raw donor bouncy, gotten from one head, is gotten from one particular donor, and another bundle is gotten from one particular donor. So it is strictly original raw donor hair. This is actually for my clients. I'm actually wigging this from my clients, and this is the HD frontal that I'm actually using. It's also a bouncy hair. Also it is also bouncy. It comes with HD. It also comes in different kinds of closure. You can go for full frontal, which is this, a HD full frontal. You can also go for ordinary lace full frontal. You can also go for 5x5, 6x6, 7x7, just like that, or a 2x4. Right now let me show you. This bouncy actually does not revert. This is not a bounce that reverts. You can see this is not a bounce that reverts. Let me comb it so that you see. Can you see? It goes back to shape. It goes back to shape. This bounce goes back to shape. You can see it goes back to shape. So you can see that when you are buying original raw donor hair, it is very, very important that the quality stands out for you. That is more reason why it is expensive. Now another way to know your raw donor hair is the fact that the texture is very cool when it's on your skin. It feels normal. It doesn't inch you, right, when it is on your skin. Another one is the fact that the strands are not light, they are not thick, but yet it will not be breaking easily. You can see that the strands are so soft, very soft, not soft to the point that it is breaking easily, right? And it is also thick, right? The strands are thick, but yet they are soft. I don't know how to really explain that, but it is soft and not easily broken. It will not easily shred, it will not easily break, right? And the strands are also not slight, not thick, just standing in the middle, right? Now if you also run your hands through it, it goes easily. It does not tangle. Your hands goes through it easily. You can use a very little comb to comb it. It will bounce back. You can actually use your hands to run through it, to literally run through it, and you see that the bounce comes back again. Now this is another thing to know, that you are actually buying a very good raw donor hair. Don't go and buy the one that everybody's telling you is raw donor hair, right? And then you start asking yourself, what did you do? Right? Not every vendor sells this particular original raw donor hair. A lot of them in the market don't sell. They sell virgin hair as raw donor hair for you guys, and that is why I am bringing it right now to you. If you are looking at buying raw donor hairs, I'm currently running a pre-order sale where you get to buy it at factory price. No matter the quantity you are buying, whether you are buying for just 200 grams for yourself or you are buying for your business, right? As a business owner, kindly join us right now. We are currently on it. We have a system where you can be able to pay for 2 months and then we order it by October, right? We are going to start collecting payments from now, and then by the end of September / first week of October, we place an order so that we can get them on time for Christmas, right? So if you want to join our pre-order group, kindly go down to the description box. I have the link to my WhatsApp there where you can be able to, click it and an attendant is going to answer you on WhatsApp. Now, don't forget, you can buy any texture or any kind of hair under the raw donor hair. You can buy this bouncy, you can buy straight, you can buy bone straight, you can also buy kinky, you can buy curly, you can buy wavy, anyone, you can buy pixie. They all come in raw donor. This is raw donor. Now it can also come in other colors, right? But they are cool colors, not extremely light colors. It can come in brown, it can come in a tinted tip brown, but you may not have it in very light shade like blonde or wine, and that is because raw donor hairs are not heavily chemically processed. That is why it is mostly original hair. Like, that is why the quality is the highest when it comes to the human hair quality range, right? But if you want that particular color, it can be processed for you. That means it will heavily be processed. It will have to go through a lot of chemical processing, right, to get it done for you. It can also be done like that for you, but of course the quality is going to be reduced, because that is, I say the truth, I don't want to tell you something that is not going to be. The quality is going to reduce. It's not going to be raw donor hair anymore, right? Because it is heavily processed right now. These ones are not heavily processed. This is color 1B. It is not heavily processed. If you also want it in tinted tip brown, or if you want it in brown, or you want it in natural, those ones are not really heavily processed, right? So they will stay in their original state and they will last a lifetime for you. I am not even kidding. They last a lifetime for you. I am not kidding. So if you want to join our pre-order group, or if you want to buy this hair for yourself or for your loved one, or you want to start up your own hair business and you are looking like, how are you going to get to buy this directly from the factory at factory price? I currently run a pre-order group where I sell with factory price. I give you what we are buying at the factory and then you pay for it. All you have to do is to wait for the processing, and when it gets to our country, we'll send it to you anywhere you are in the world. The only thing extra you are paying for is your shipment fee, right, to your country or wherever you are. Now, this is amazing. From the video, I'm sure you can see how beautiful this is, how lovely it feels. The lightings are not even doing justice. The lightings in my room are not just doing justice, and that is why it is not really looking given. But if you look at the strands, like take a look at the strands, you will realize that this is pure raw donor hair. This is pure raw donor hair. It is 100% on nothing. I sell quality human hair, and this is the highest quality of human hair. If you want to get your bone straight hair in this raw donor quality, of course it's available. Go ahead and check the link in my description. I have the link to my WhatsApp there. If you have any question about identifying raw donor hairs, let me know in the comment section. If you have any question or you want to join us, please let us know in the comment section. Please, our WhatsApp group is for people that are buying, whether you are buying for your business or you are buying for yourself. Do not come to our WhatsApp and ask us questions about this hair. If you want to ask your questions, drop it in the comment section, right? If you want to do business, you want me to train you, to teach you how to start the hair business from scratch, I have my email address in my description box. I have a fee that you can pay, and I will teach you everything you need to know from start to finish when it comes to starting your own hair business. Okay, this is the best quality of hair to sell as a human hair vendor. You can sell this hair and put any amount of money you want to put on top of it as profit without fear of the customer is not going to get quality, because this hair is quality hair. But if you are selling cheap hairs, then you are not going to be making the profit or seeing the profit, right? So this is your original quality raw single donor hair. I hope this video has been able to help you identify raw donor hairs, what they are, and the kind of quality that it entails. And I hope you have seen that we don't sell rubbish here. It is quality or nothing. If you want to buy any quality hair, from bone straight hair, your bouncy hairs, any hair you want to buy, just come to our DM. I have the link to my WhatsApp once again. Do not forget to go there, click it, and an attendant is going to answer you. Just tell them you are coming from YouTube and you want to buy it, or you want to join our group, pre-order group for the donor hairs, right? And they will attend to you. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching this video. Do not forget to shop from us. We only sell quality hairs. Do not forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. Ask me your questions in the comment section. You guys subscribe to the channel for more, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.